Alright, so last year on this car I replaced the turn signal switch because the lower brake lights weren't working. And I'm running into that problem again. However, this time when you go in and activate the hazards, show you that they're on. The hazards do not flash. So, methinks it's not the turn signal switch this time around, but the hazard warning flasher. So before we get started, I just went in and turned on the left turn signal instead of the brake pedal being held down. Yeah, now you see after I jostled that switch, this one came on. Actually, I think that's the parking lights. Oh shit, I got the ignition. Oh, never mind. That's the parking lights. Because I have the ignition on. Now we'll turn that back off. And yeah, those are the parking lights. Okay. Well, anyway, I just ran to O'Reilly's and picked up this. The Dorman part was like $70 with a 3-year warranty. This one was $40. I think it has a 1-year warranty. So let's show you how to replace that without tearing the dash apart. Alright, so I went ahead and grabbed 2 flat blade screwdrivers, because as you can see, this is how's it gonna sit, like this, like that. So there's a tab at the top, a tab at the bottom. So you might want to pull your gear lever down. I'm just gonna go and break the button off. Well, you know what? I got lucky. First pull, the whole thing came out. Normally you gotta jam 2 screwdrivers in there to depress these tabs. Wow, lucky me. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the gear lever down off camera so you don't have to hear the stupid chime going off, and then disconnect that connector. Yep, you gotta hear the stupid chime, but anyway, this little screwdriver, yeah, I'm holding the camera with one hand so you can just crack that out, pop that out, pop that new one in. Do that off camera. Shut up this stupid chime. Well, I guess stupid me. Maybe I should just put the key into accessory and not all the way on, and that stupid chime won't go off. But here we go. Make sure these tabs are up and down. And that should just slide right back in there. Right? Come on. There it goes. Alright, let's go check those. Well, before I put the pull on the pedal, I'm just going to activate the hazards. Let's see if they're flashing now. Yep. Okay. Let's verify that one's going. Sorry, I closed my garage door, so I'm not going to get the full scope of it. Okay, I got the pull depressing the brake pedal. Oh, maybe I should open the garage door. But it looks like we got all 3 lit up. Boom, boom, boom. So there you go. That's how you can tell if it's a turn signal switch or that hazard warning relay / switch. So to recap, if your brake lights don't work but your hazard lights work, that means your turn signal switch is bad. But if your brake lights do not work and your hazards don't work in the back, that means it's the hazard switch relay. So there's another quick one. And give me a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Consider subscribing. Check out my other Impala content. And thanks for visiting Jackwagon Garage. We'll see you next time. Peace out.